baby Mamacita, and today, my friend, Princey Boy. Yes, he's back for another appearance. We have some fun today, you guys. Looky. Aren't you excited for this? He loves the Kongbox, and we've been waiting and waiting for this. As you can see, he wants to open it. He is really excited. So anyways, we are going to get to it. Kongbox, $39.95 a month, and it has been a toy that our dogs have loved. They are indestructible. As you can see, if he'll give up his toy here, this bear we received 3 months ago in our first Kongbox, and look, he has been chewing and chewing, and it is basically indestructible. Kong rocks. So the Kongbox is a dog subscription box, and you can sign up for it by clicking my link below. And what you do is you fill out a profile of your dog. You fill it out based on your dog's needs, whether it needs some company during the day, whether it's a chewer, or there's just different options you can select for what kind of toys and fun you want to receive in your monthly box. And you do not have to get the box every single month. In fact, we took a few months break, and this particular toy right here is a toy that we received in our first box. And as you can see, it is pretty much still in one piece. Kong is indestructible. Seriously, best toys ever. I've gotten a lot of different toys in the past, and they've always been ripped to shreds in a matter of 1 to 2 days. Seriously. But this has been months, and it is still in one piece, which is awesome. Right, buddy? Super awesome, right? Give me a 5. Yes. Let's go ahead and open up the Kongbox for this month and see what we've received. He wants to. All right, let's open it. Woof, woof. Happiness delivered. Yeah, he's excited. Okay, let's open up and see what we got inside. Ooh, pretty wrapping. Pretties. It says Kongbox cares. As an added thank you gesture, we are passing along face masks to be used as we get back to work or to share with frontline workers who deserve our deepest appreciation on this unprecedented journey together. A mask, the Kongbox mask. Super cool. All right, let's open some more. Okay, we've got a couple index cards in here. This one is for the chewing, which as you can see, he loves to chew. He loves to chew. It gives you little tips on here for chewing tips, why your dog might be chewing. And I'm thinking it's simply because he's a puppy and he likes to chew. And so we try to give him as many chew toys and fun for him to keep his teeth off things he shouldn't have his teeth on. So let's see. Oh, and then we have a recipe box. This is for, recipe is called Summer Picnic. And it has a little recipe on here that you can make with your dog as well. So we might have to try that later. Right, buddy? All right, looky. Look at that. Exciting. We've got some Doggy Treats. Looks like we've got some Kong bites, so we'll go inside of our Kong. He is excited. I can see that right now. Then we have some more Kong snacks. These are the ones that you stuff into them and they try to get them out of the Kong. So these are natural Kong snacks. What flavor are they? Ooh, baked with real chicken, salmon, and get this, blueberries. Yum! Does those smell good? Do they smell good? What else did we get? We got some Kong stuffing. Yes, yes, Kong stuffing. You spray this into your, squeeze this into your Kong, and they love to lick it out. Our favorite is peanut butter because we love peanut butter, don't we, buddy? Yes, this one is flavored. Let me look here. This is all natural, mess-free for easy stuffing. Need, squeeze, enjoy. Fill your Kong. It doesn't say what. Oh yes, it is peanut butter. It says peanut butter right on the back, up top there. So yeah, we're gonna love this, aren't we? He wants to eat it right now. Nope, you can't eat it right now. And we got a Kong ring. Look at that, a fun chew toy. This is, oh, he grabbed the balls out of there. He wanted the tennis balls. These came in there as well, and I think they're squeaky. I think these are Kong squeaks, they are called. These are gonna be so fun to play with, aren't they? He wants them so bad. Okay, let's open one. Let's open one. You want it? Yeah, so much fun. So we got that. We got the Kong ring. I thought it said Kong King for a second. It's a Kong ring. And this is for medium and large dogs. And when you fill out your profile on the computer on the Kong website, you can give a description of your dog. You can select whether it's you have a small dog, medium, large, extra large, and they will tailor your box to whatever type of dog you have. So he wants the Kong ring, as you can see. He wants the Kong ball. He likes it. He likes it so much, don't you? And peanut butter, squeeze, Kong snacks to put inside your Kong, and then also the Kong bites. These are like training treats, and we've gotten these before, and they love these. The dogs absolutely love these. So $39.95 for the month for this box. So awesome. You can get a discount by using my link in the description. I will leave that there for you to check out. And also in the comment section, I'll also pin that. You can check out Kongbox for yourself if you would like to. And yeah, how fun. Do you like this one, Prince? What do you think? Give me a high five? Yes. 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 Thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave all the items in the description area. And if you want to check out Kong for yourself, I'm telling you, Kong is legit, like not even kidding, legit. So your dog will be happy, you will be happy, and everyone will be happy. So yeah, check out Kong for yourself, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
A few moments later.
All right, let's try one of these treats. You want a treat, buddy? Want a treat? This is the Kong bite. I can open it up for you. Smells like kind of peanut buttery. Here. Yes, so good, isn't it? It's so good. Yum, 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 yum. Last one. So sweet.